Chapter 1: Why Altan Matters. The AI world is evolving faster than ever. And in 2025, one name has started making serious noise: Altan. This isn't just another AI startup raising money. Altan has managed to secure $2.5 million in funding to build what they recalling the first true agentic app building platform. Now, why does this matter? Because agentic AI is the shift everyone is waiting for. We've moved from chatbots that answer questions to copilots that assist in code, to now agents that can actually think, decide, and execute tasks across entire workflows. Altan is betting that the future of SaaS, productivity, and startups will be powered not by humans writing endless code, but by AI agents assembling apps on demand. And here's the shocking part: they're not wrong. Chapter 2: The background story of Altan. Every great startup begins with a founder's pain point. Altan's founders were frustrated by one thing: the insane complexity of building SaaS tools quickly. They watched as big players like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google dominated the AI model space. But very few companies were solving the real bottleneck. How do we turn these AI models into fully working products without needing a massive dev team or VC-backed engineering department? That's when the idea clicked. What if, instead of coding apps manually, we trained AI agents to build the apps for us? This vision gave birth to Altan. The company positioned itself not as yet another AI builder, but as a platform where you describe your idea, and AI agents handle the rest. From backend to UI2 integrations. And this was powerful enough to convince investors to write a $2.5 million check. Chapter 3: The Rise of Agentic AI. In 2025, to understand why Altan matters, you need to understand Agentic AI. Agentic AI isn't just about generating text like ChatGPT or code like Codex. Instead, it's about creating autonomous systems that can plan, reason, and adapt in real time. For example, imagine asking an AI, "Build me a booking system for yoga teachers." Instead of spitting out fragments of code, an agent will break down the requirements, write the backend logic, design the integrate Stripe for payments, deploy it on the cloud, all without you touching a single line of code. That's the agentic revolution. And Altan is placing itself at the center of this wave, promising to democratize app building in the same way Shopify democratized e-commerce. Chapter 4: The $2.5 million funding breakdown. Now let's talk money. Altan raised $2.5 million in a seed round led by early-stage AI investors who clearly see the trend. This capital isn't just to keep the lights on. Altan has three major areas they're investing in: platform development, refining their agentic engine so it can handle increasingly complex app requests; integration partnerships, connecting Altan to tools like Zapier, Stripe, Notion, and Slack to make their AI apps instantly useful; community growth, building an early adopter base of founders, solopreneurs, and small teams who want to ship products at lightning speed. $2.5 million may not sound massive compared to billion-dollar raises in Silicon Valley. But here's the kicker. With the rise of no-code, cloud, and LLM-powered APIs, you don't need $100 million to build something disruptive anymore. Chapter 5: How Altan's platform actually works. Let's break it down. Suppose you log in to Altan's dashboard. You type, "I want to create a marketplace where local chefs can sell meal plans with subscription payments." Altan's AI agents then analyze the request, generate the database schema, write backend logic with authentication and payments, design a simple but modern UI, connect APIs like Stripe, Twilio, or Google Maps, Test the workflows automatically. Deploy the app live on the cloud. Within hours, you have a functioning SaaS product that normally would take developers 3 to 6 months to build. That's the promise Altan is betting on. A full-stack AI agent workforce, building apps at scale. Chapter 6. Competitors, and the edge Altan holds. Now you may ask, aren't there already no-code tools like Bubble, Glide, or Webflow? And yes, they exist. But here's the key difference. Those platforms still rely heavily on the user to drag, drop, and manually configure workflows. They're powerful, but they require time and learning. Altan flips this on its head. Instead of teaching humans how to use no-code, it trains AI agents to build everything for you. Competitors in the space, like Cognition Labs or Builder AI, are exploring similar ideas, but Altan's focus is razor-sharp, agentic app building with zero manual steps. And that's what investors find irresistible. Chapter 7. Real use cases and stories. Let's imagine some real-world scenarios where Altan could change the game. Startup founder. A solo founder in India dreams up a SaaS tool for gym trainers. Instead of burning $20,000 hiring devs, he spins it up with Altan in a week. Small agency. A marketing agency in New York wants to build custom client dashboards. Normally, it takes 2 months, with Altan to 2 days. Enterprise team. Even larger companies could use Altan to test new product ideas without distracting their core engineering team. This is why people are excited. It's not just about cost saving, it's about speed, creativity, and accessibility. Chapter 8. Why investors are betting big. Investors aren't dumb. They see patterns. In 2010, Shopify democratized e-commerce. In 2015, Stripe simplified payments. In 2020, no-code platforms made building easier. And in 2025, Agentic AI is about to change everything again. Altan sits right at that crossroads. It's the type of company that could become the Shopify for AI SaaS, letting anyone with an idea spin up an entire business. And that's why investors happily put $2.5 million on the table. Chapter 9. Challenges and risks. But let's keep it real. Not everything is perfect. Altan still faces massive challenges. Technical depth. Can their AI truly handle complex enterprise-level apps? Or will it only work for MVPs? Competition. With giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Amazon entering the agent space, can Altan carve out its own territory? Adoption curve. Will founders trust AI agents to build mission-critical products? Monetization. Can Altan make enough money on each app build to sustain long-term growth? These are valid concerns. But every disruptive startup faces them, and the winners are the ones who solve them first. Chapter 1. Oh, the future roadmap. Altan isn't stopping at app building. Their roadmap includes app marketplaces, where users can publish and sell their AI-generated apps. Customizable AI agents, so users can train agents with their own style or company needs. Enterprise packages, helping big companies spin up internal tools instantly. The ultimate vision is bold. A world where building apps is as easy as writing an email. And if Altan gets there, they won't just be a startup. They'll be a category-defining company. Chapter 11. Final recap. So let's recap this story. Altan raised $2.5 million to build an agentic app building platform. Their platform uses AI agents to build apps end-to-end, no code required. They're competing in a growing space, but hold a sharp focus advantage. Real-world use cases show massive time and cost savings. Investors are betting that agentic AI is the next Shopify moment. The future is clear. The way we build apps is about to change forever. And there you have it. The story of Altan, the AI startup that just might redefine how apps are built. The question now is, if you had access to Altan, what app would you build first? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'll be reading them all. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more deep dives into the future of AI SaaS and startups.